In this final section on VR headsets, I'll be showing you something different and some other interesting creative uses that you can use with VR headsets. We're now going to look at a VR calm room app. So this might be something that you can use for helping your students calm down if they've had something traumatic happen to them or if they feel stressed. But similarly, it could also be useful for yourself or for other teachers or for staff as well. So I'm going to show you one particular app. This is called TRIPP, but there are a wide different variety of calm room apps now available on the Oculus Store. So with this one, there's actually a paid plan as well, but I'm just going to show you the demo. And for this one, you don't need your controller, so you can just kind of sit back and relax. And you select buttons by basically kind of holding a movable cursor over a different option. So I feel like an 8 today, and I feel relaxed, calm, and inspired. And then you just sit back, relax, and enjoy the experience.
Welcome to TRIPP. The experience you're about to have is designed to help you be mindfully aware in the present moment. Today's reflection will help to create a peaceful sense of well-being. Breathe with me. Time your breath with the flow. Connect with your breath, slowly breathing in and out.
So as you can see, another interesting example of what VR can be used for and can potentially be used to achieve things that are a little bit different or a little bit more interesting. This is the final section of our video series covering dedicated VR headsets and the Oculus Quest 2. In the next class, I'll show you how to best manage and maintain classroom kits of VR equipment.